All right, so we're headed out. Today we're going to specifically go and record video. We've been testing the Aquanut for a little bit, and looks like it's working pretty well. I put a link to the previous video in there so you can see what we were up to. But this time we're just going to go out there and where are we going?
Punta Gorda Bridge.
Punta Gorda Bridge. So we're going to Punta Gorda Bridge. We're going to drop it in there. We're going to see if we can find some. What are we looking for this time?
The giant grouper, I think, is what it is.
The giant grouper or the Titanic tarpon?
It's some huge grouper.
It's a
gigantic grouper or something.
Gargantuan grouper. We're gonna go see if we can find the grouper today. All right, so here we go. This is the trek into DIY tech for today. Okay, so we didn't go straight there. We had to stop to get some supplies here, so yep. Uh-oh, somebody else has other supplies. There's not gonna be any time for reading.
Can't wait.
It's only work.
Love this stuff.
Work only. All right, now we can go. All right, going through the tunnel. I'm gonna go find a spot over here.
What do you think is
My
best?
spotter is finding a spot. I don't
It's
know.
under the bridge.
So where are we going?
All right, so what do you think? If we go over here, then we're in between the roadway. But if we go over there, we're kind of on the other side of the road, which, you know, maybe...
You want to go further out from the shore, so the difference is over here was we're by the shore, and over there is we're out to sea.
And there are not a ton of people, so we can probably find a place.
So where are we now?
It's called I think it's called Live Oaks Park, but it's right on the Port Charlotte Harbor.
All right, at Port Charlotte Harbor. Here we go. Okay. That looks like a good spot.
Yeah, it's right out in the water.
Right out in the deep part. So, all right. Got the full setup here. So you think this is a good spot?
Yeah, Fisherman's Village is right there. Then there's a bunch of other stuff that I've not seen or we've not yet explored.
That's the right. Yeah. Get away. And just plugs in right. Just like that. Alright. Do a quick test, make sure all the motors are running. And I think we're good. Alright. About to turn on the camera. Go. Turn on the boat monitor. Alright, cool. So we can see, you're not going to be able to see because of the glare. You can see what's coming out of that camera. This is not as clear as that camera. Because everything is recorded locally on there. This is just for me to go and aim the camera around.
Ready?
Yep, here we go. that smoothness. Let me get on the controls so it doesn't get under the gear here. Looks like we got some good currents in it. Ooh, we got some good currents in there. Alright. Main outline. Here we go. Wow, yeah, look at those currents though. Yeah, it's functioning a little bit better now that the props are in a different spot. And out there, I don't know what's out there. I don't know if anything about it. Wish I could see. Yeah, this we're gonna go way out. I don't see any fish out there so far. We'll take a look at these barnacles here. Goodness, how much cable did he send out there?
All of it? 150 feet?
So yeah, it looks like we lost some buoyancy. It's not coming up to the top. Yeah, I think the foam probably got compressed. All right, so big next change would be getting non-compressible floats.
So once it's compressed, it can't uncompress or decompress or whatever?
I'm thinking, so let me pull it up and then I'll describe what I think is happening. So, oh yeah, the foam looks a little slack on there. So, dude, are you still going? Yes, the camera's still live. So it wasn't the camera. So I'm guessing we were getting some air coming out of the phone. So let's stop the camera. All right. So I'm thinking. Oh, something. We did hit something. We hit something. We hit something. Yeah, so we did hit something down there. This got torn up, and I'm thinking this Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. So that's full of water, which means that we got to a certain depth and the pressure of the water actually got the air to be expelled out of the foam, and then we lost the buoyancy. So that means that we only could go down. We couldn't go back up under its own power. So, which means that I think we're done for today. And I think the next, if you guys have been watching the videos, you'll see that it's been a progression. So we did a design video, we did an electronics build video, we did a mechanical build video. I'll put links to all of those down below. And then we started doing test videos, of which this one's just a fun test video. The other ones we did more technical stuff on. But I will give you this. The next change that probably needs to happen to this is to have some solid tanks or some solid foam for buoyancy to keep this from happening, because I can see the foam has been compressed. So I'm willing to bet that the air came out of the foam and we lost our buoyancy. So but there you go. Yeah, seaweed and all. But anyway, so what do you think?
That's science.
That's science. All right, so yeah, that's it for this one. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Hope you guys are doing well on Easter. And yeah, catch you in the next video.